Welcome. We're gonna do the 6th Mishnah of the 2nd parak of Maschet Berakhot. Let's go. Rachatz Laila Rishon Shemeta Ishto. So this is a continual regarding Rabban Gamliel, that he have done stuff differently whatever he taught his students. So they're like, this is a story about when he lost his wife. So the few days after you're in yeshiva, you're not supposed to rinse in hot water. So he rinsed in hot water. So his students ask him, his students come over to him and ask him, you teached us that Avel, someone that lost one of his siblings or his family, he's not supposed to rinse and with hot water in the first day. So Amar lahem eni kishar adam, I'm not like other people. Ani istanis ani, I'm not like all the people. I suffer if I don't. The shower is not for pleasure, it's to avoid suffering. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.